The next screen we're going to talk about is the final parameter adjustment screen. After your design has run, the final parameter adjustment screen is filled with the resin volume, the vessel diameters that were selected, how much inert resin you used, and what's the recommended cylindrical height for your vessel. At this point, you could tweak these numbers. For example, if you want to round off your 9.96 cubic meters, I'm going to round that off to 10 cubic meters. 7.54, I'll round that off to 7.6 cubic meters. So here's a chance to round off your resin volumes. The vessel sizes will be automatically updated based on the recommended freeboard, inert height, and the maximum size of the resin that we expect to see. And then you just rerun the report. Having rerun the report, we now have our report with our customized resin volumes of 7.6 cubic meters and 10 cubic meters. And now you get a choice to, you can now go download the report, you can print the report. So our first example is now complete.